design, develop, and deploy. When starting a new project with a client, statistics have shown that most times clients are more interested in two questions. When will my product be ready? How much will it cost me? However, it is important you know the process we follow internally to ensure your project is deployed and ready for the market with little or no errors. This will help you on your next project, so you're well informed and well prepared. We follow through in a process called the System Development Life Cycle, also known as SDLC. There are about 7 stages of the System Development Life Cycle. They include planning, analysis, design, development, testing, implementation and integration, and finally the maintenance stage. All the mentioned stages are important and interrelated. The maintenance stage is as important as the planning stage. In the planning stage, we take the presented scope of the project, usually and oftentimes presented in a Word document or an Excel spreadsheet. Then we develop an effective outline for the about to start development life cycle. We would effectively spot problems before they affect development. At the end of the planning stage, we would have broken the project scope into a chewable and eatable chunk, more like a list of tasks. This in turn would help us determine a likely estimation of the project completion. In the analysis stage, we would usually define a software requirement specification document. We often tend to model an existing system and carry out research to determine the need of the end users. The software requirement specification will help prevent overdrawing funds when the project gets to the development stage. In the design stage, we first draw the details of the overall application alongside specific aspects such as the user interfaces, system interfaces, network and request, database design, business logic, infrastructures, and more. These drawings will typically turn the software requirement specification document we initially created into a more logical structure that can later be implemented in a programming language. At this point, an operation, training, and maintenance plan will be drawn internally so that developers can know what they need to do throughout every stage of the life cycle moving forward. At the end of the design stage, we will prepare a design documentation to be referenced throughout the next phases of the development life cycle. In the development stage is where we write the actual code and build the application according to the earlier design documents and outlined specifications. All the prior planning and documents should make the actual development stage relatively straightforward. We also employ programming languages such as PHP, Node.js, Java, JavaScript, C++, and more. We choose the right language to be used based on the project specifications and requirements. In the testing stage, we go over the software, noting any bugs or defects that needs to be tracked and fixed and later retested. It is important that the software overall ends up meeting the quality standard that was previously defined in the software requirement specification document, and that the end user experience will not negatively be affected at any point. In the implementation and integration stage, the overall design of the software will come together. Different models and designs will now be integrated into a primary code, usually by leveraging the training environment to detect further errors and defects. After passing this stage, the software is theoretically ready for the market and may be provided to any end user. In the maintenance stage, developers must now move into a maintenance mode and begin practicing any activity required to handle issues reported by end users. Furthermore, developers are responsible for implementing any changes that the software might need after deployment. In another video, I will talk about some basic software development lifecycle methodologies such as waterfall, agile, and more, and how they help developers glide through the software development lifecycle stages to completion of a project.